If you held Moderna Inc. last week, your $100 is now worth $231. We're breaking down last week's 5 biggest movers, what actually happened, why it happened, and what you need to watch when the bell rings Monday. Let's go. This run is making everyone wonder what they missed. Number 1. Moderna Inc., ticker mRNA. Up 130.8% this week, closing at $145.13. This week's insane rally? Chalk it up to some surprise clinical trial results and renewed pandemic chatter. Pair that with sky-high short interest, and you get a squeeze that nobody predicted. Now, the question is whether Monday brings more fuel or a classic sell-the-news reversal. Momentum traders and bag holders alike will be glued to the open, and even the algorithms might need caffeine for this one. Crypto crowd just started celebrating, but is the party already over? Number 2. Coinbase Global Inc. ticker COIN, up 23.2% this week, closing at $186.49. Coinbase rode the crypto wave as Bitcoin flirted with fresh highs and institutions kept inching in. Regulatory headlines didn't hurt, but let's be real. This is still a speculative playground. Monday's open will test if momentum can keep up with the hype, or if profit takers spoil the mood. Traders will be watching volume and crypto headlines for the next swing. It quietly outperformed, and hardly anyone noticed. Number 3. Gilead Sciences Inc., ticker GILD. Up 6.8% this week, closing at $146.12. Gilead barely made a sound on the news front, but steady drug sales and an uptick in biotech sentiment sparked a slow but solid climb. Nothing flashy, but sometimes boring wins the race, especially when defensive plays come back into favor. If this quiet strength holds Monday, analysts might start paying more attention. Watch for reaction to sector moves and any hints about pipeline progress. Nothing boring about this science stock's comeback. Number 4. Thermo Fisher Scientific Inc., ticker TMO, up 6.3% this week, closing at $629.27. Thermo Fisher rallied as investors hunted for steady science stocks and quietly rewarding earnings. The big move was less about breaking news and more about sector rotation. People want safety for now. Monday will clue us in. Was this just a one-off rebalancing spike, or can the labs keep the love? Keep an eye on healthcare sector sentiment and any upcoming industry headlines. Wall Street actually likes Target again, for now. Number 5. Target Corporation, ticker TGT. Up 6.3% this week, closing at $165.44. Target finally got a little respect after not screwing up earnings and showing some resilience in retail. The jump caught the shorts yawning and gave bulls something to celebrate, at least until the next CPI report. Monday opens with pressure. Can Target keep this up, or was it just a sympathy trade with broader retail? Watch spending data and rival store headlines for clues. That's your week in stocks. You're now more prepared for Monday than 99% of retail investors, which honestly isn't hard, but still. Subscribe so you never walk into a market week blind. And remember, this is for entertainment only, not financial advice. Do your own research.